post these steaks? Oh, hi.
Hi, Michael.
Yeah. Aren't they cute?
Oh, yeah. Hi, guys.
Kathy's trying to pose them.
Come on.
Yes. Maybe you'll post it on YouTube.
What's going on
They're
here?
brothers, huh?
Yeah.
They're cute, aren't they?
They come in and out, in and out.
You guys are busy.
Had a good playtime. See, they're about the same size, aren't
Yeah.
they? The dog that was supposed to show Kathy at Cow Palace was Keyshawn.
Yes, you said. That's great.
Yeah. Keyshawn's at Westminster Monday, Tuesday next week.